Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the TJR Auto channel. My name is Tyler, and in today's video, we're doing some more work on my 2004 GTO named Gemma. Now, if you guys missed my last couple videos, we basically did a whole front-end refresh on this thing. We built this custom hood, did these beautiful new grills, fixed a hole in the bumper, and we also scored these really cheap GTO lights that are in killer shape, but they were super hazy when we got them and super yellow. So, did all the sanding steps, clear coated them, and they look awesome. But after all this hard work, aside from paint, there's one easy thing that this front end is missing. And these two little boxes is what contains the last couple things that I think are very major to transform this front end. So here are these two little boxes that I just showed you. Let's open them up and take a look inside. Alrighty, let's tuck the little guy aside for now, but let's turn to the big guy first. So obviously we can see these are some LED light bulbs from the beautiful people over at Auxito. Now they reached out to me and said, hey Tyler, do you want to try, a set of our bulbs? And I said, that's really tempting, but my cars are not up to the quality of your guys' product. But hey, let's try it anyways. So in here, they sent me a set of low beam bulbs for the GTO. Now they gave us some cute little gloves so that I don't mess up the beautiful bulbs. They supplied some zip ties as well as a little Allen key. And we also have a little instructions manual, which also I thought was pretty cool. Shows all of the specs of these bulbs. So you really know what you're getting. Look at that. Look at that. Look at these instructions. They're so crispy and they're just simple. They're very, very easy to follow. And in the bottom of the box is where the real winner is. We have these beautiful little LED bulbs. Now, funny enough, I've owned, I think 11 or 12, maybe even 13 cars over my 22 years of life, and I've never installed LED light bulbs. So I'm honestly really excited to test these things out. Now, you probably should put the gloves on to handle them, but it's okay. I'm definitely a professional. So here's what one of the bulbs look like. You can see the size of this cooling fan on the back. You know this thing means business. But the LED itself looks super awesome. I mean, that's just, damn, that's crazy. This thing could probably light up a whole house. Got this little box here, even is tagged Auxito. It's honestly nice quality too. They used, this is some nice stuff. I like this. And then here we just have our little plug where we plug into the normal headlight harness of the car. So now that we've seen the first box, let's throw that out to the side. Now let's open up the second little box. So in here, just because it's a little box doesn't mean it doesn't pack a punch, right? Size doesn't matter, okay? What's inside the package is what matters, guys, all right? Let's keep that in mind. Also have some awesome little instructions, which, same deal as I already showed you guys, shows all the specs for the light bulbs itself, as well as instructions. Again, very clear picture instructions, which for people like me, maybe even for people like you, they're very easy to follow, which is a beautiful thing. We don't have that anymore in this world. But in this little package, we have these awesome looking LED bulbs that are going to be going in the fog lights. Now, I'm really excited about the headlights, obviously. I'm really excited for these because I have never had working fog lights in this car. I'm sure these fog lights used to work before the previous owner totaled this car, but I've never actually had working bulbs in this car since I've rebuilt the front end. So without further ado, let's show a little comparison of what the old lights look like compared to the new ones. Alrighty, so in my dark garage, this is going to be a look at the original low beams in the car. And that is the normal headlights. Now those things are actually set pretty straight, and I've never adjusted those headlights before, so I'll take that. But obviously, I think brightness-wise, there is definitely some room for improvement. So let's go for a little ride and see how they look. Probably aren't going to look too bad, but I mean, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. They're not really adding much to the street right now. Obviously, there's a lot of street lights. This road itself isn't that good of a example, but with the lights off, it doesn't really, miss much light on the road. With them on, this car drives by, lights on, All right, now I think we all can agree these old headlight bulbs got to go. So anybody doing this job on a GTO, it is pretty easy. You basically can just slide your battery over a little bit for the passenger side headlight, pop off this little cover, and then you can very, very simply reach right in and get to your bulb. Now I will just unplug it. So out with the old and in with the new. Alrighty, so we can take the bulb and fish it into its new forever home, just like that. Then grab our old plug, if I can find it. Where the hell did you go? Why are you hiding? You're getting upgraded, don't hide from me. Now we can just plug in our little wiring. So our bulb now is fully installed, and I think what I'm going to do is, for now, I'm going to leave off this little this little dust cap, because I would like to punch a hole in the back side of it just so that our new LED bulb can breathe with this little cooling fan. So I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm really excited to see how these are going to look. So I'll revisit this. I promise. I definitely won't just leave this open, and I definitely won't just slide the battery back into place and call it good. And this other side should be just as easy, if not even easier, because we actually have access to this one. Old bulb is out, and we got the new guy going right on in. Our splines, just like that, locked in. Then let's plug in our wiring. Like I said, I will come back later to get some holes punched in these dust caps. And actually, my old ones might have holes punched in them from the accident, so I'll have to go find those. All right, so I've already done the pleasure of cutting the singular zip tie that holds on the side of my bumper, as well as cutting the zip tie that was holding up the wiring harness for the fog light bulbs. So I'm going to climb in here, I'm going to twist the bulb right into the light housing, plug it in, and we should be good to go. Alrighty, that's one bulb in. Let's get our harness plugged into it. Flip that guy around. Alrighty, that's one LED bulb installed. And it's just that easy putting in LED bulbs. So now we got some fresh low beams, and we also have those fresh fog lights. Let's test them out here in the garage. Alrighty, so first up, we have our little orange lights. Obviously, those have not changed. Now for the real test. Holy shit! Those are blinding. Those things are so damn bright. Oh my God! The camera can't even pick up how bright they are because they're so bright. All right. Oh my God, that hurts to look at. That's so good. So now, if I shut those back off, and I think if I just pull on my light switch, oh, we got LED fog lights. Look at that. So this is just with the headlights on. That is with the fog lights on. That's with them off. And that is with just the headlights on. These things make a killer difference. Oh my God. You can actually see. It's crazy. Here's off. That's on. You can definitely see that difference. Unlike before, you could barely tell when the stock lights were actually turned off. So here's on. That is off. That's back on. And that's fog lights. Oh, this is awesome. These things are so damn bright, I can't even get the glare off the screen no matter what way I hold the camera. Wow, it really transforms this front end. It really makes it look way more modern, having that nice cold white light. You can see even how wide it goes. It spans out pretty far, which is awesome. But like I said, we couldn't see trees earlier. Now we can see trees. That is wicked. Alrighty folks, well that's going to be a wrap on the install and review of these awesome Auxito LED light bulbs. I just want to throw it out there. This company did not pay me a dime to make this video or to say all these great things about them. This is purely authentic, genuine, my opinions about this product. I think they're awesome. I really do think they're a great bang for the buck. I think they're a very nice, cheap upgrade that you can do to transform the front end of your car, even the back end or interior. They make all different sorts of bulbs. Now, if you guys are interested in picking up a set of Auxito LED bulbs for your ride at home, down in the description below will be a link directly to their website where you can easily shop around and find a set of bulbs that pop right into your car. And right under that link will also be a discount code that'll get you 15% off of your order, which is awesome. That's pretty good money savings, right? And it's holiday season, money's a little tight. At least I know my money's tight because I spent a lot of money on Christmas gifts. Now I'd like to give a big thank you to the people over at Auxito for sending me these light bulbs. Once again, they're honestly an awesome product, and I really think that you guys should check them out if you're interested in making such a colossal difference in your front end for pretty cheap and very easy. But as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly do appreciate it. And once again, if you guys are interested in a set of bulbs for your ride, there will be a link and a discount code down in the description below. I'll catch you guys in the next one.